Hi and welcome to Nick Whale Motorhomes. I'm Andy and I'm going to do something a bit odd to start off this video. It's September 2025. Why are you asking? Is he telling us the date? Well, the reason I'm telling you the date is because I'm about to show you this, which is a Giottiline GiottiVan 54T. I don't do prices on the videos. You can go onto our website, you can find those, or onto Giottilines. But when you do check, I want you to know that these are actually today's prices and we're not still living in 2018. So you get a lot for your money. Let's put it that way to start off with. Now, there are three main packs with Giottiline. You get your privilege pack, you get your sport pack, and you get your premium pack. The beauty with your premium pack is you get the other two packs. This is a premium. So you're seeing a top of the range. Now, the 54T is 5.41 metres. So again, it's your normal van conversion on the compact side. It's got 4 travel seats and it's got 3 berths. It's under 3.5 tonnes, so you can drive it on a standard driving licence. Campolo grey, very stylish. You've got alloy wheels, you've got an electric step, awning light, awning, water fill just here. Reverse camera, and it's a really good size reverse camera. As you come around, you can see it's the Premier just there. Cassette toilet, flue for your heating, electric hookup, got your waste drain just down there, diesel fill, AdBlue. And with it being the Premier, we've even got front fog lights. So, from the outside, it's exceptionally well spec'd. Anything you'd find on any other motorhome that you would see in the marketplace. In fact, a little bit more than most. So, where is it lacking? Well, let's have a look inside. Well, upholstery is lovely. When we look in the cab, we've got this 9-inch media centre, which is Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. You've got full cab blinds, we've got Traction Plus, we've got Hill Hold, automatic box. Again, it's got cruise control, steering wheel controls. So, nothing missing there. Captain seats, both swivel and come round very easily. Now, table just here has an extender. So again, you can sit very comfortably. Now, I'm going to spin this round because I'm going to show you how to make up the third berth, and it's easier with these seats out the way. Now, I've got the bits already in the back, so here's one we made earlier. We just literally need to unclip this, and then you've got your leg there, just drops down. Now, you'll see you've got the bar at the top for the table, you've got a bar underneath, and that's to make up the bed. So we just clip that on there, like so. Then we have this secondary piece. Now again, you only need this if you're sleeping a third person. If not, you can leave it at home. The legs just fold out on both sides. You've got a little clip there. That locks on to there, like so. There we go. Once you've got that into place, we have a secondary just here. This slides over, and there you have your third berth. Again, it's sturdy, it's absolutely fine for the third person, and you only take it when you need it. But again, it's quite a rarity for a 5.41. Usually you don't get that third berth. So it's nice that it gives you the option. There we go, just unclip that. That folds down. And again, you just literally lift up, pop your leg back down, and slide it back in. Now that is on a bar, so you can move the table to where you want it to be. So again, you can literally get a bit more leg room here, or you can have more leg room at the front. Up above here, we've got more storage, heating, diesel and electric. So again, if you're plugged into the mains, you run it on your electric. If you're wild camping, you run it on your diesel. And it is thermostatically controlled, the thermostat being just there. Storage, good amount just up above the cab there. These seats are Isofix as well, so again, it's not lacking in anything. More storage, 2-burner hob, sink with the cover, and of course we have an extender just here. And again, when it comes to work surface, you've got this, of course, because you've got the table, which has got the pull-out, you've got loads of work surface if you need it. Cutlery drawer, big deep drawers there and there. Fridge just here, and again you've got a 230 volt, 12 volt light switches just there. Wardrobe just here. Bathroom, now you can see you've got storage, your sink drops down just here, more storage up by the mirror, and again you've got a skylight, so again it's great for the condensation coming out, and the toilet does spin round to get into the most comfortable position. It's not huge, but it's a 5.41 metre van. It shouldn't be, because if it is, it's taking space out of everything else. Then we have, of course, your double transverse bed at the back, which has got 2 good size lockers either side. Just got your awning brace on there as well. Now, the beauty of this, of course, is it's a proper mattress. It's comfortable, and it gives you really good storage space underneath. So, what's lacking? Honestly, nothing. It's a really, really good van conversion. It's 5.41 metres. We've even still got your habitation door fly screen. It's just fantastic value for money. Now, if you want to come and see one, I don't think they'll last long. We've got one in stock at the moment, but always check on our website first, because I think these things are going to be pretty quick movers. There you have it. Thank you for watching. Hopefully, we'll see you soon. Thank you very much.